Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to show you how to build a calendar with events screen using the Ionic Design Kit, a tool that will streamline your app development process. Let's look into it. On the left side of your screen, we'll be working with code snippets from the official Ionic documentation. In the center, you'll see our carefully crafted layout, designed with the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, a phone emulator shows the real-time results of our coding. Don't hesitate to pause the video whenever you need to catch all the details. In this guide, we're walking you through how to create a user-centric calendar event screen using the Ionic Design Kit. With this kit, designers can quickly pick and place pre-made elements without worrying about building them from the ground up. On the development side, there's no need to dive into complex coding, since everything is sourced directly from the Ionic framework. This setup leads to a faster, more efficient, and collaborative process, making the Ionic Design Kit a must-have for both designers and developers. Now, let's talk about one of the essential features you can build with this kit: the calendar event screen. This screen is crucial for any app that needs to organize and manage events. It's where users can view, create, and interact with their schedules. A well-designed calendar event screen doesn't just look good. It helps users stay productive by keeping their schedule organized and easy to manage. You can find the code snippets and detailed instructions on our website. Thanks for sticking with us. We'll cover more features and show you how the Ionic Design Kit can really level up your projects. See you next time.